Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Wise. So let me take you to their website, which is wise.com. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Wise, Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a financial technology company that provides international money transfer services. They allow individuals and businesses to send and receive money across borders with lower fees and more competitive exchange rates compared to traditional banks. So you could come to the website and send money to your family or a friend anywhere you like. So that's how they work. But that's not exactly why we're here. We are here to earn money from Wise. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Wise and start promoting them to our audience. And when we bring new users to them, and when these users make transactions, guess what? We'll get the commission, as in you, when you promote Wise to your audience. Now, let's talk about their affiliate program. For that, on their website, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page and you can click on affiliates here, which is affiliates and partnerships, which will take you to this page. Over here, you have to scroll down a bit and you see Wise affiliate program. You can read here and then you can click on find out more about affiliate program to see even more information. When you do that, it will take you to this page. And there's a direct link as well that I'm going to put in the video description. You can directly click on this link and come to the page. Now here they say earn revenue by promoting a cheaper solution to send, spend, and receive money internationally. And that's right. If you scroll down, you can see how it works. So you become their partner and then you promote Wise and then you earn revenue. That's it. By bringing, of course, by bringing new users to them and when these people make transactions. Now, if you scroll down, you would see affiliate partner benefits. So these are some benefits you can read through. Then what can you promote? You could promote money transfer of Wise, Wise account and card, or Wise business. Totally up to you. The way you like, you can promote them. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you would see FAQs. And these are some great FAQs. And so you can come to this page again and read through all the FAQs to learn more about the affiliate program. But I'm going to cover a few. One would be, why should you partner with Wise? So you could read it and understand it better. The next question is, what level of commission do you pay? Now, this one is very important because this gives us an idea of how much commission can you earn from them. So they say their CPA rate starts at £10 for personal users. That means if you bring new users to them and if these users make their first transaction, you will get £10 as a commission. And they also say that if you bring business customers to them, you will get £50 for business customers. And if you read it here, a new user is someone who does not have a pre-existing Wise account and completes a successful cross-currency transactions. It's basically you bring a new user to them and the person makes the transaction, and that's like cross-currency transaction, the first transaction. So you will get this commission, either £10 or £15. £50 depends on whether you have brought them the personal user or the business user. Now, it's only one-time commission, so it's not like the number of times the person would make the transaction, you will earn commission. No, that's not how it works. It's just one time you will get the commission when these new users makes the first transaction. We do not have a cookie. We do not have a cookie window, so you will receive commission no matter how long it takes the user to make their first transfer. So this is amazing. It's like you brought the user, doesn't matter when they make the transaction, the first transaction, you'll be there to get the commission. And then you can read through more here. Then we got some more questions that you can read through, especially this one, but promotion methods are allowed. And then the last one as well, have more questions. So if there are any questions that you have, and if you don't find the answer in these questions, you can click here and reach out to them at this email address, which is partnerwise@wise.com, and they would be able to address your question. Now, the question is, how can you join the affiliate program of Wise? For that, you have to come to the website of PartnerWise. And why PartnerWise and what is PartnerWise? So PartnerWise is one of the top digital marketing companies out there, and they also provide affiliate marketing network to the affiliates out there. So why are we even talking about them? So affiliate marketing network is basically a third party that connects affiliates with the brand. So that means if affiliates have to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, the affiliates have to join the respective affiliate networks as well. So in our case, if you want to promote Wise, we have to join PartnerWise affiliate network. So how do you join their affiliate network? For that, you can hover over partners and you can click on affiliates, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on join PartnerWise and go through the registration process. As an affiliate, you would be able to create an affiliate account with PartnerWise. Now I understand there could be plenty of things that you have to keep in mind while you create an account with them. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Partnerize. You'll find a video link in the video description. Just click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself a Partnerize account. So let's say you created your Partnerize account, or if you already have it, you can come to the website. You can click on this avatar sign, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your username, password, and tick mark I'm human, and then click on login, which will then take you to something called affiliate dashboard. So this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Wise, but the focus of the video is Wise. So we'll be only talking about their affiliate program. So to join the affiliate program, you can click on campaigns, and when you click on it, it will take you to the section. Over here, you can click on join campaigns, and it will load up the information while it's doing it. You can, on the left hand side within filter section, you can start typing Wise and wait for it to load. It could take a few seconds, and then it will show the campaigns. As you can see, one eligible campaign. So like this, you would also see the affiliate program of Wise. You can click here and you can see more information, as you can see. So all these things, you can read it. And if you look at the right hand side, you see Wise commission payout currency GBP. So you can click here, and when you do that, you would also see more information like commission rates. So when we were on the website, it was simplified commission rate, but over here, they even are explaining in a more detailed manner that you can read and try to understand. On the right hand side, you can even see more information. So within the description, you can read through it all. And then you got the terms and conditions as well. So you can click here and read the terms and conditions. So once you're fine with everything, and if you want to apply to the affiliate program, okay, simply go back to what we were looking at before and tick mark this, as you can see. So when you tick mark this, if you look at the site, it will say your affiliate account name, followed by agrees to the terms and conditions for Wise affiliate program. So ensure you have read the terms and conditions by clicking here, then tick mark this, and then click on join selected campaigns. Now, when you do that, what will happen? It will send your details to Wise affiliate program team. So they would review the details and they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they will give you the approval. Either that, or you will directly get the approval from them. So how would you see whether you got the approval or not? So you can click on campaigns again, which will take you to your campaigns and commissions. So it seems like they already have approved me. So I know it's great. Now, there are some brands who will take a few days to approve you, but then there are some brands who will directly approve you. So it seems like Wise is one of them. So the moment you apply to them, two things could happen. You probably have to wait for a few days, or you will directly be in. So when you have been accepted to the affiliate program, you will be able to find them within campaign section, within your campaigns and commission section. So as you can see, it says participating. So same would go for you. You can click here to see more information. All right, now we got the approval. Can we start promoting them? Of course we can, but we can't just take any link from their website and promote them. We have to use unique link. We have to use unique tracking link that are meant for us. So how do you get the tracking link for Wise or the products or services? We can click on tracking, which will take you to this section, tracking section. I have to refresh it since I got the approval. So once you will click on tracking, you would be able to see all the affiliate program that you have been approved from, and you can also create tracking links accordingly. So as you can see, Wise is here. If I click here, I get an option to create tracking links. So using this section, I can create tracking link for Wise, any web page of theirs, and I can start promoting them to my audience. So this is how you can do it. The next question is, how can you promote them, or where can you promote them? Well, there are many ways you could promote them, but still I'm going to cover some basics so that you will have a bit of the idea. So one way you could promote them is through website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, probably just put an advertisements on right, left, or wherever you want, basically bring Wise to your audience attention. So that's one way. And second way is the blog. So blog could be very good because you could write about money transfer, online transactions, Wise. You can write good thing about them. And at the end, you can just mention that if you're interested to be part of Wise, here's a link, and you should put your tracking link over there. So when someone would click on this link and become part of Wise and makes a transaction, the first transaction, you'll be the person who will get commission for it. Then comes social media. So Wise is also fine with you promoting them on social media. So you could, let's say if you have a Facebook account or Instagram account or LinkedIn account, doesn't matter. You could promote them on social media as well and bring more targeted audience to them. And the third one, which I think is the best one here, is the financial website. So financial websites are those kind of websites where people talk about financial stuff such as trading, online transactions, credit cards, loans, and all that. So the audience of these websites would be very targeted towards Wise. So that's why these kind of websites can be good. So if you have this kind of website, or if you want to create it, you could create these kind of websites and start promoting Wise on those websites. So this is one of the way. Now, doesn't matter whatever way you prefer, from this or from anywhere outside, just ensure that you have gotten the approval for that. So how can you ensure that you got the approval? So when you're creating the Partnerize account, you should be entering that specific website address or your promotional method address within your Partnerize account. So when you apply to the affiliate program of Wise, they would know that you plan to promote them on those channels. So you should only be promoting Wise on the channel or on the online mediums which have been approved by them and which you have kept in your Partnerize account. All right, let's say you started promoting them. Where would you be able to see your performance? So for that, again, you can come to the Partnerize account of yours, and you can click on analytics, and you would be able to see your performance there. Then how about the commission for it? So all the commission that will get generated, Partnerize will get the commission from Wise, and then Partnerize will issue the commission to you. So you have to ensure that you have updated your payment methods correctly and accurately for Partnerize to issue the payment to you. So for that, you can click on payments, which should take you to the section. Over here, you would be able to see your pending commission, approved, confirmed, and variable commission, but you should be clicking on payment settings. Over here, you can click on add bank account, and you can select your track currency, paid currency, country, and depending on these three selection, you will get an option to either choose from PayPal or electronic fund transfer. So you can decide from any of those two, and then you can also decide whether you want to withdraw the commission. If you set it to off, that means Partnerize will only issue commission to you when you decide to withdraw it. If you set it to on, auto self bill, that means once it will meet this condition, then Partnerize will issue the commission to you. So that means you could decide that I want to get the payment once the payment threshold meet, let's say $100. So that means Partnerize will not issue the commission to me unless I accumulate $100 as commission in my Partnerize account. You could also set it to get the payment twice in a month with the threshold of 100. So totally up to you, you can decide. And once you have selected these options, you can click on continue, and it will ask you for more details. Depending, if you select electronic fund transfer, then it will ask you for the banking information. If you select PayPal, then it will ask you for your PayPal email address. So this is how you can update your payment settings and start getting commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Wise and start promoting them. And for me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.